Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. So we are having this open house here today in Masjid Al-Quba. So Alhamdulillah, with me is a sister who took Shahada 2 weeks ago. And she mentioned to me a wonderful story about her conversion. And I want to hear from her again. Sister, please mention about who you are and your interest and your conversion to Islam.
So I'm Sister Aliyah. I was raised by a very non-religious Jewish family who were kind of anti-religion. And I always felt that there was one God. So what's the next step? I tried Christianity. Well, I liked it, but there was something not quite, adding up with Christianity. So about maybe this past December, I got a feeling just from Allah. It was weird. It was like almost like, hey, you're coming to Islam. So I started to research it, and everything made sense. All of the translations over and over of the Quran made sense. Everything just makes sense. So 2 weeks ago, I said the Shahada, and I converted to Islam, or reverted, or whatever.
So what message that you have for those people who are still looking into Islam?
Take your time, but not too much time. Make sure you understand it. Make sure this is the path for you. But overall, just get to know Islam. It's a good religion. It's nothing like the media says. Everyone here is like family. So I think once you revert, it'll actually be very nice.
That will be the best step that
Yes,
they would
I was
ever
beaming when I reverted.
Alhamdulillah. So welcome to Islam.
Thank you.
And we hope and pray that may God Allah always keeps you strong in Islam, and may protect you and give you the knowledge, the ability. So not only you can learn more about Islam, you start practicing it more, and really important, you share this wonderful, peaceful message of Islam with all of humanity. Welcome to Islam.
Thank you.